Hi guys, today we're going to show you how to replace cabin air filter in Toyota Camry. First open the glove box and inside you will see this cover. You have to remove it like this, and over there you will see the air filter cover. You have to press on to close on the side and pull towards yourself. You have to press right here. And inside will be our cabin air filter. This is how it looks, guys. The cabin air filter needs to be checked at least once per year, and if you guys see all these leaves, all this dust, debris, dirt inside, it definitely needs to be replaced. Simply pull it out like this and you can install the new one. On the filter tray you will see the up arrow. Right now on our aftermarket filter we see the down arrow. In this case it shows us the airflow. In this vehicle it flows from top to the bottom. On the OEM filters you will also see the up arrow, and in that case it shows where the top of the filter should be. Don't get confused. If you see airflow and the arrow pointing down, this will be the top of the filter. On the OEM products, you will see the up arrow on both the filter and the tray, and that will be the top of the filter. Install the new one into the tray, and we are ready to install it back. Insert the new filter together with the tray inside all the way. Reinstall the cover, make sure it goes in like this and snaps back in place. The cover goes back in, simply snaps in place, and that's it. Our cabin air filter replacement video is complete. Thank you guys for watching. If you need one, I will leave you a link in the description, and we'll see you in the next video.